We are going to work through some more examples here. You might like to pause the video and see if you can do it yourself. All right, let's launch into it. Okay, what are we going to do here? The first thing I'll do is I'll change this 9 to become 3 squared, and then I've still got 3 minus x there. And then over here, I'll do two things. I'm going to make this 27 3 cubed, okay? Because I know that 27 is 3 cubed. And let me do it slowly. So I'll go 3 cubed, and then I've still got a 3x there. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to bring this up into the numerator. And I want to distribute out this 2. So I'm doing multiple steps here. So this is going to become 6 minus 2x. And then on this side, I'm going to end up with, now I'm going to bring this up. This is going to be 3. 3 times 3 is 9x, negative 9x. You have to change the sign if you're going to take the reciprocal. Having now done that, I can equate the indices because my bases are the same. So I can equate the indices there. And that means what I'm going to end up with is 6 minus 2x is equal to negative 9x, which means I'm going to end up with, now what should I do here? I think I'm going to plus that 9x over, which means I'm going to be left with 7x here. And then I will subtract that over, which means negative 6. X is therefore going to be equal to negative 6 on 7. So x is equal to negative 6 on 7 is my answer. All right, let's move on to the next one. You should pause it and give it a go yourself. Okay, the first thing I would do is I would make this 25, 5 squared, and then it's 2x minus 1 is equal to, now this is the same thing as 5 raised to the negative a half. So as you can see, I've changed this square root to a rational indice, and I've also brought it into the numerator. Okay, then we can distribute that out and then also equate them. So we can equate this and this, which means what I'm going to be left with here is 4x minus 2 is equal to negative a half, which means I'm going to be left with 4x is equal to negative a half plus, now 2 is the same as 4 on 2. That means 4x is going to be equal to 3 on 2. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And the way I like to think about it is I'm timesing both sides by a quarter. And if I do that, I'm going to end up with 3 on 8. 3 on 8. And that's going to be my answer for that one. Hopefully you were successful with these two questions here. And also make sure you can do this in your CAS. So we'll go through this one in the CAS menu, algebra, solve. We're going to go 25 raised to brackets 2x minus 1, close the brackets down, is equal to 1 on. Then we have to go square roots, control this, 5, then comma x, hit enter. And I've typed something in wrong. What did I do wrong? Remember, if you mess it up, just come up, hit enter. I've messed up my brackets. My goodness. All right, there we go. Have I still got too many brackets? There we go. Oh, there we go. 3 on 8. Make sure you can do it by hand. Make sure you can do it with the CAS. I'll see you in the next one.